And welcome to your Saturday little weathercast here with me. I'm meteorologist Tom Kvicka. We're looking at the view from Texas Street in Alexandria. Courtesy of Sinlaw Broadcasting, with their cams over in that direction. We're seeing a mostly fair sky, but I think clouds will increase fairly quickly late tonight and into Sunday when some rain chances come back into the forecast. Checking out the view over in Leesville. We've got a mostly fair sky there as well. A few clouds showing up. So yeah, there was a little humidity today and some moisture. So I'll be talking about the need for rain remains with us. So yes, most of us do need some rain, and there is some in the forecast, and the whole forecast has warm weather, both at night and during the afternoon. Radar not showing anything here in the local area. Maybe still some agricultural burns. Notice back up, but usually we consider upstream. We look up this way and see the weather happening, and then we kind of project it into our area because it usually moves in that direction. Not seeing any rain developing over there just yet, but that's not really the kind of pattern that we have. The kind of pattern we have is that it may develop over here first or over in Sinlaw first, okay? So over this whole area, later on tonight, mainly after midnight, start looking for some scattered showers to develop all across this region as we see a little front interact with things. So this little front will kind of come through on Sunday, maybe a little disturbed area aloft with that as well. So that should be enough with the moisture and warmth that we have to touch off some rainfall. All right, so the overall setup for Sunday, southwesterly flow aloft, there's almost always a little ripple of energy, and when that comes overhead in this flow, it lifts the atmosphere, creates clouds, creates rain, and maybe a thunderstorm or two out of this. There will be a little bit of instability there. So surface front and that will add to the lift in the atmosphere as well. So I'm going aggressive on the rain chances out of this deal. Futurecast showing up by Sunday morning, even for church and Sunday school time. You might need to take a little umbrella with you. So there is a chance during that time and throughout the day. It's kind of an off and on hit and miss kind of pattern, but once you accumulate it all day long, the chances are pretty good, and that's why I'm going aggressive with it. Monday morning, maybe a few sprinkles still left, a few showers as well. Still a decent rain chance on Monday, just not quite as high as Sunday if you're one of those folks who has to go to work next Monday. So the rainfall pattern for Sunday only, the lesser numbers back up to the northwest. Got about a 50 to 60% there, carrying us into Manny, Natchitoches, Winfield, and those parishes up in that direction. You head south and east, the chances increase, the highest, 80% across our southern tier of parishes, and then over into Avoyelles. The timing is AM and PM. It's one of those patterns that could do either one or both at your place, and it probably will. And amounts less than an inch, so it's not a heavy rainfall pattern, not a severe weather pattern or anything like that. Let's check out the 7-day numbers then. So we go 70% for an average in Sinlaw. I did that parish by parish just a bit ago. 63, 72, very warm. Remember how chilly it was this morning? We had some thermometers hit a light freeze this morning in Sinlaw at 32 degrees. So this is going to be quite a change overnight. We're going to go from a little heat to maybe even some AC, and certainly, and if not tonight, then the rest of this 7-day forecast you see is warm as well. There's the 40% for Sunday night. Front comes in, and could be even some fog mixed in with some of those hit and miss showers and sprinkles Sunday morning for church time. Not the best forecast there for Sunday morning. Going into Tuesday, things begin to clear up as we see a little bit of a pattern change, not quite as much onshore flow, so taking rain chances out all the way into next weekend, which includes Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Look at these high temperatures, and again, we should be about 59 degrees during this time frame, and lows of 39. So you see how much above we are in temperatures. This is unseasonable warmth here in Central Louisiana. In fact, Santa Claus coming in there for Christmas Eve night, I understand he may be bringing beach wear as he gets into Sinlaw. Okay, that's it for me. Nick Bickles will be back with you tomorrow. I'll be in the forecast center. Have a super and blessed